Hi, I'm Anupam Sharma and this is skill test number 3 of React module. In this, we are given a task to make a habit tracker React app, and this is the problem statement, and where we have to define habits and track them, a maximum of for 7 days. And this is the project I have made. This is how it looks like, and this is the basic view, and I have hosted this on Netlify. So let me add a habit first. So I'm adding um, first habit, let's say sleeping is my habit. Then okay, it is showing that you have added that successfully. Alright, now moving on to the next habit. Let's say my second habit is cheering for RCB. So yeah, it is also added successfully. Now moving back to the home page. Now in this we have to see the detailed view also. Then we have to click on this button. So let's say I'm clicking on this view button and I'm clicking on Sunday, Monday. What I have done, I can set it daily also. And in this the main thing is we can not select the next day. So for Sunday I cannot select in this, but here it is already Sunday starting from 0, so it is already getting selected. So let me select till Thursday, and if I go to main home page, then it is showing that I have completed my sleeping habit for 5 days. So the and and at last, if I have to delete the project, then I have to show the delete button also. In this feature is also there, so I can delete this habit also. So as you can see, the project is working fine as per the given requirements. Now moving on to the code section. Welcome to the code section. In this, I'll briefly explain what each folder or file is doing in this project. So as you can see, the source file, this source folder basically, sorry, this source folder has the main source code, as you can see, components, styles and assets. This serves basically as the core structure for the application. And now quickly moving on to this component section. This component folder here stores reusable and modular UI elements, or the functional components. So if I go to the main page, it shows home. So this is my home page. This is basically a home component, and it has a navigate component as well, creating a home component that renders both components within a fragment. And if you saw that website, it had options. It had some navigation bar like this. So this is my navigation bar, navbar.js. This code basically defines a React component for navbar that dynamically displays a greeting based on the time of the day, which you saw. It was, as it is now evening, it was showing evening. And it basically provides a button to add habits and include a model form to add new habits to a React Redux managed state. And this dayview .js is basically showing what it has. It has some icons and uh, for specific day, done, undone, or none. It is also utilizing the React Redux for management, state management. And the app.js, the uh, not main file, but it has some basic functionalities. Here app.js is defining a route using React Router for two views, the default view, home, and the week view. It has basically two views, right? Home and week view. And this habit.js here has a rendering list habits by mapping over the habit state, retrieving it using the user select uh, hook from the Redux store. Redux store is here, and this habits.js is a little different file. It is a list of habits which you saw on that, like sleeping and all other stuff. Uh, by mapping over the habit state and retrieving it using the user select hook from the same Redux store. And this at last week view.js, this is in a week we are able to view all the weekly, like 7 days view of habit progress, fetching the relevant habit data from the Redux store using this selector use selector hook, and a button to go back to the detail view as well. This has maximum of 7 days. And suppose if you uh, open this page on Wednesday, it will show you 0 by 3 days. So as you progress on the day, let's say here now Saturday, it will show you 0 by 6 days. So you can add the habit accordingly as well. And this Redux folder is in this project is typically contains files related to state management using Redux, including reducer, actions, and store configuration. This is all I have to explain in this project. Thank you so much for your valuable time to whoever who is watching this, viewers or evaluator. Thank you so much.